Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a photo from your iPhone to your Mac using AirDrop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself and the Mac computer. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, click on Photos, go to Camera Roll, go to a photo you wish to transfer. I see a photo on top of the computer. Go to the left bottom corner of the screen on your iPhone, click on this, and now we can wait for AirDrop to find the Mac. If we still do not see anything, go to your computer, go all the way down to the dot, go to Finder, go to AirDrop, turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for both if they are off. And now I see MacBook Pro on my iPhone. Click on this. iPhone wants to send you a photo, accept. Go to your downloads and now we have the photo transferred from iPhone to Mac. Minimize Finder, click on done. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.